Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Dinkar and I welcome you all in this session. I hope everybody is doing great, feeling healthy and fine. Once again, welcome to our RBI Grade B 2022 descriptive answer writing practices. And as you all know that we are on the 88th lecture today, and it's just because all of you and all of your support that we are reaching to this milestone. And thank you so much for the love and the support that you have provided to this series. And in few days, I think like in the first week or the second week of April, we will be completing out of this series. A great journey we have on this. Okay. And it's really a great achievement that we are reaching towards the 100th lecture slowly, because none of the series has happened to be so long, and that too based on the descriptive answer writing. And for this we have dedicatedly opened a portal for answer writing, and I hope everybody is aware of that. And I just apologizing for the yesterday, some issue has happened because of the technical team, so I was not able to show you the portal that we have created. And it's just because of that the lecture also gets like, I think the lecture got over, and I just only wanted to show the portal, like where you can write the answer, but I was not able to show. Today I will try to make sure that you see that portal, those who are not able to see. Okay. And if anybody wanted to ask anything, they can ask me right away. Otherwise we can start with our session. Let me see how many people are there. First, let me say hi, hello to my friends. Okay, so we have Lalit, Vishwanath, a very regular students I have. Very good. You have a great presence. It is just because of all of you that we are motivated by the things we come up with, the new things, because we know that some of the people are here very dedicatedly attending the lectures, so that is why we have to be on our toes regarding that. So thank you everyone. So let's start with our session right away. So for the new people, it is a master descriptive answer writing for RBI Grade B 2021-2022 100 days series. 100 questions for 100 days, economic and social issues, ESI, FNM, descriptive English. Here we are talking about essay writing right now. Okay, right now essay writing is going on, and we are discussing now today. The 88th lecture is there, and today we are discussing about the cryptocurrencies, a very hot topic that is going on throughout the world, and everybody is talking about that. Even some people might be talking about to invest over here in the cryptocurrencies. Okay, so let's discuss like what all you can include in the essay, how to start and how to end and everything. Okay, so we are going to cover the various aspects related to this essay, so let's start with it. So, as you all know that every essay has an introduction, body, and conclusion. So, in the introduction, you can write a brief history, starting point, and all the things. In the main body, you can write about social, economic, political, and all these various aspects regarding that. You can add facts and figures, cause and effects. Okay, and after that, you have a concluding paragraph for that. Okay. Hello, Gopalji. Hello, Gopalji. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, so today cryptocurrencies meaning and definitions. First of all, cryptocurrency sometimes called as cryptocurrencies or crypto. Okay, or crypto. So it is any form of currency that exists digitally or in virtual form. That means there is no physical material that you are having. It is all digital and virtual. Okay, uses cryptograph to secure the transaction. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regulating authority. That means like in India we have the rupees. Rupees are controlled by our Reserve Bank of India, but in the cryptocurrency there is no central issuing authority. There is no central issuing authority. Instead, using a decentralized system to record transaction and issue new units. Okay, so there is a decentralized system that people are using. A cryptocurrency or crypto is a digital currency designed to work as a medium of exchange. Okay, like you just give that and you can take in regarding some of the products or whatever you want through a computer network that is not reliant on any central authority such as the government or bank to uphold or maintain it. So okay, so it is just like a medium of exchange only, the way we do that rupees and all those things. Similarly, cryptos are also exchanged for various other things, right? So Individual coin ownership records are stored in a digital ledger. Like as you all know that digital ledgers are everywhere right now. Like earlier, people are using the physical ledger, like they're writing on the notebooks. Now everything is moving towards the digital, but still most of the records in India are still kept in the physical forms. But here, the total coin ownership is based on the digital ledger. Okay, so it is like a computer-based database, and they are using strong cryptograph to secure the transaction record. So it is not like that anybody can do any kind of transaction. Okay, so backend to forward and everything, all the type of verification happens. Okay, in order to control the creation of additional coins and to verify the transaction transfer of coin ownership. Okay, so verification process also happens, and then only the new coins will be issued and all those things will be happen. Despite their name, cryptocurrencies are not necessarily considered to be currencies in the traditional sense, and while varying category treatment have been applied to them, including classification as commodities, securities, as well as currency. Okay, so people says that like cryptocurrencies are not necessarily to be called as a currency. Okay, you can call them as commodity, like a gold. Okay, or a security, it's like a security you have taken, or you can utilize it as a currency. Okay, you cannot simply say that these are only currency. It can be used in any of the way. Okay, so cryptocurrencies are generally viewed as a distinct asset class in practice. So they are a different type of distinct asset class. Distinct total, they have a distinct formula and all those things. Okay, now some crypto schemes user validators to maintain the cryptocurrencies. In a proof of stake model, owners put up their token as a collateral. In return, they get authority over the token in proportion to the amount they stake. Okay, so this is some of the technical detail. Okay, so normally you don't have to write that much of technicality whenever you are writing an essay. Okay, but still, just for your own understanding, we are just providing you. Cryptocurrency does not exist in physical form, as you all know that, and it will not be issued by any of the central authority. No central authority issue this. Okay, right now in our budget, our finance minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman has said that we are going to tax around 30% of the like any transaction that is happening on cryptocurrencies, or if any capital gain is happening on that, and they are also looking for the central digital currency. Okay, they are looking for that. Okay, RBI is going to issue that. They are also looking for this part also. Cryptos currencies typically use decentralized control as opposed to a central bank. Okay, so here this is very, very important. Cryptocurrencies are typically use decentralized control. Okay. Okay, thanks Vishwadit. Thanks Vishwadit. Okay, then when a cryptocurrency is minted or created prior to issuance or issued by a single user, it is generally considered centralized. So whenever we are minting it, like we are creating any kind of digital currency at the time, like if we are creating any digital coin or anything, and it is not issued till that time, so it is called as centralized. Once it came into the total blockchain transaction, so it became totally decentralized. When implemented with decentralized control, each cryptocurrency works through a distributed ledger technology. Typically it is a blockchain, so this is a blockchain technology. So it is a technology that is working behind the cryptocurrencies. Okay, so whenever somebody asks you which technology is behind the cryptocurrency, it is a blockchain technology which is behind the cryptocurrencies, and it is a hugely secure technology that we are having. And because this blockchain can be utilized in all the places, and it is a huge security benefit you will get if you are using blockchain. Even right now colleges and various other places have started teaching the special courses on blockchains. Okay, so a cryptocurrency is a tradable digital asset on digital form of money built on blockchain technology that only exists online. There are currently over 1,000 of different cryptocurrencies are there in the world, and their supporters sees them as a key to the fairer future economy. So most of the important one are bitcoins, ethereum, dogecoin, all these things, that the name which I remember. There are various other things are there. Okay, hello Akriti. So Bitcoin first released as open source software in 2009. Okay, so this whole process has came. Bitcoin has came in 2009, where the value was so minimal that if somebody was holding, who has got the Bitcoin at 2009, right now, if they are holding a huge amount of Bitcoin, they will be millionaires right now. Okay, so Bitcoin first released an open source software in 2009 in the first decentralized cryptocurrencies. Since the release of Bitcoin, many other cryptocurrencies have been created. So, how does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency runs on a distributed public ledger. Very important one. Okay, this is a distributed public ledger. So, it is not like that somebody, a particular person is keeping that. No, the ledger is distributed among millions of computers. Okay, so that is called blockchain. Okay, a record of all transaction is updated and held by currency holder, and any changes in that transaction happening is updated wherever that computers are located. Unit of cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining. So Bitcoin are produced through a process called mining, which involves, like, there are computer that are very powerful. They solve some complicated mathematical problems. So if you see that, people are saying that, climate change climate change some part of the climate change is also the reason of Bitcoin mining, because wherever the Bitcoin mining is taking place, they put huge amount of servers and various other things they are keeping. Okay, so they are, because of that, huge amount of gases are releasing in the atmosphere, and because of that, the climate change, they are putting some kind of climate change issues over there. Okay, so how this mining is happening? So there is some complicated mathematical problem that has to be solved. So it requires huge powerful computers. Okay, once they are able to solve that complicated mathematical problem, automatically a coin is generated. Okay, so this can be now utilized in the blockchain. Okay, so user can also buy the currency from the brokers. So those currencies who are already in the market, free market, they are still there. Then store and spend them using cryptographic wallets. Okay, once it is there, so you can utilize that using your wallet that is created on the computer or mobile phone. Okay, it's just like a wallet, like how much cryptocurrency you are having. If I say you have one Bitcoin, so that means if you have a one Bitcoin right now, so you are having around 43 lakhs rupees in your wallet. Okay, so although Bitcoin has been around since 2009, cryptocurrencies and application of blockchain technology are still emerging in financial terms, and more use are expected in the future. So this blockchain technology can be used anywhere, even schools, your financial, health and service industries, wherever the things are there, you can utilize this technology. And one place where it is utilized the most is the cryptocurrency place. Okay, then transaction including bond market, stock market, and other financial asset could eventually be traded using the technologies. Okay, then, is cryptocurrency safe? Is cryptocurrency safe? Cryptocurrency are usually built on blockchain technologies. Okay, so they record all the transaction in the blocks, and they are time stamped. Whenever any change is happening, they are time stamped. That means time will be written with at what time and date. Like whenever you are clicking the photo, automatically the time and date and everything is getting updated. Like you cannot change the time and date of the photo from on the date which has been created, right? So it is like a same way, the time stamped thing. So you cannot change the data going to the back date and change the data in the back date. No, you have to change the data only in the present date. Okay, so it created a very secure environment. So it is a fairly complex technical process that you have to do, but the result is a digital ledger of cryptocurrency transaction that's hard for hacker to temper. So hackers cannot easily temper that, because if hackers wanted to temper this, they have to temper millions of computer personally. So whole life of that hacker will go in changing that transaction, only one single transaction on the block. So that is why this is called the safest currencies all over the world, like blockchain technologies. In addition, transaction require two-factor authentication process. While securities are in place, that does not mean cryptocurrencies are unhackable. They are hackable, but not to that extent. Unlike government backed money, the value of virtual currency is driven by supply and demand. Okay, so these whatever the virtual currencies are there, what we have discussed, Dogecoin, Ethereum, or whatever it is, their value depends on supply and demand. You cannot just simply say that this is holding this much of value. Like in 2009, our Bitcoin is about 10 rupees at that time, maybe. Right now, it is 43 lakhs. So, what is that? So, it is depending on supply and demand and the usage. So cryptocurrency investment are subject to far less regulatory protection. So there is no good regulatory protection than transactional financial products like stock, bond, or mutual funds. So cryptocurrency offer better payment security. How they are offering that better payment securities? Credit and debit cards were the source of major frauds. Credit and debit cards, where most of the fraud happens. Okay, just 1 minute, guys. So, credit and debit card are the source of majority of the frauds report among all payments method in 2020. And unfortunately, small businesses are oftenly targeted because they are very less protected. Cryptocurrency is considered more secure than credit and debit card. Okay, so this cryptocurrency is more secure than your credit and debit card. This is because cryptocurrency do not need third party verification, this because they automatically do all the verification on their own, because this verification is done on millions of computers, so you cannot hack millions of computer at the same time and change the block. Okay, it requires huge amount of time. Okay, so that is not, you can say it is like an impossible process to do it. Okay, and cryptocurrency transaction are irreversible. Once the cryptocurrency payment goes through, it is permanent. This can be a double edged sword for small businesses. On one hand, cryptocurrency is irreversibility helps business owner better manage their cash flow, that they will be able to better manage, they can decide like how, what to send, how much to send, and they can do the verification process in a proper way. There are no charges back to worry about, and if someone requires a refund, the retailer has to manually pay them back. However, this process can also create inefficiency in your business operation and lots of additional work for your employee. Okay. Then, what is the way forward and what is the conclusion? We can call it as over. El Salvador made headlines in September 2021 because it is the first country that has accepted Bitcoin as an official legal tender currency. We call it like in our country, we call 50 rupees, 100 rupees are legal tender. Okay. So, El Salvador has in September 2021 has said that we are going to accept Bitcoin as an official legal tender. So, you can pay taxes, you can pay whatever you want in the Bitcoins. So, the announcement is a new milestone in the widespread adoption of the cryptocurrencies. Okay. So, it is still considered extremely risky. Crypto fans appreciate that this currency is considered immune from inflation. Government can't manipulate the value of cryptocurrencies. It can be a risky operation also, it can be a benefit also. On one hand, cryptocurrencies are a hedge against the monetary inflation, hedging. On the other hand, the value of Bitcoin and other crypto is extremely volatile. Hedging means you, if you wanted to save your money, you can save it in the cryptocurrencies because they are like hedge against the monetary inflation, that you can expect that they can remain same. Okay, but they are also extremely volatile. All of a sudden there is a sudden rise, all of a sudden there is a sudden downfall. It can happen. Okay, so this is what cryptocurrencies that we have talked about. So this is the question for today, 88th. Cryptocurrencies, should it be accepted or not? Discuss the recent issue related to it. Okay, so this is the question for you today, guys. Okay. So I wanted to tell you how to attempt the question. First of all, just 1 minute. Let me share the screen first. Okay. So here, if you can see that I have opened the Google Chrome. Here you type oliveboard.in, automatically this will open, and then you can go to Oliveboard, sorry, here discuss forum you can go. On the left hand side you can see on the downside where logout is written, the third part, discuss forum, click on that. Then here in the horizontal tab, the things will come: RBI, SEBI, Nabard, then Descriptive RBI. So in the Descriptive RBI, you can click on that. And here, if you can see that all the 88 questions are there. If you click on that 88th question today, you can start the test. Here the question is that cryptocurrency, should it be accepted or not? Discuss the recent issue related to it. Okay, so start typing it, and you can see that here time also started. Okay, time also started 19:50, like 20 minutes we are giving, and you can also have the word count here. Okay, word count also you can over here. Okay, so this is totally a free portal for all of you for practicing. But if you want to get your answer evaluated, then you have to join our courses, guys. Okay, here no evaluation will be done, but you can practice the answer, okay, with the time limit and with the word count. Okay, so this is a free portal that we have created for all of you, because nobody else have created this kind of free portal. Okay, now if anybody has any doubt, they can just let me know. I'll clear it off. Anybody has any kind of doubt, they can let me know. Okay, so I have told you. So if you are able to perform 3 questions, then you can get 35% off coupon. 35% off coupon you will get. Okay, and if you don't get the coupon, please contact riti.gulati@oliveboard.in. She will be providing you with the coupon code of 35% off. And please subscribe to our social media platform. They're very really useful. And anybody who wanted to ask anything, or we just finish off with it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for joining the lecture. Okay, and please at the last, never forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Happy learning, guys. Thank you so much for joining the lecture, and it's really great to see you. Okay, and yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and take care. And please follow all the COVID-19 protocols properly. See you tomorrow again at tomorrow is Thursday, right? Tomorrow is Thursday, so we have 2 lecture. One is at 7 p.m. that previous year question paper, and at 8 p.m. Sorry, 8 p.m. and another one is at 9 p.m. Okay, other one is at 9 p.m. Dear SIDBI classes are already, I have taken essay classes. 4 essay classes I have already taken, and we are running for SIDBI exam classes. You have to join our paid courses, then only you will be getting all the classes in a proper way. Okay, so what we have told is the important things regarding the SIDBI examination, and if you are joining our courses, then you will get personalized treatment. Okay, thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Ayush. If any doubt is there, please leave it in the comment section. I will just go through it in the comment box, and I will answer it over there. Okay, at 9 p.m. we will have our 100-day series. Okay, fine. So see you then tomorrow at 8 p.m. And tomorrow we have back-to-back 2 classes. Bye bye, take care, and good night.